Okay, here we are using the pH 7 filter, and that's it. And you can see how dirty the water is right there. And the easiest way to do solar cells is you have one person rinsing and getting the water flowing, and the other one scrubbing. And all you do is use the pH 7 filter or the SIM filter, both same type of technology. It causes the water not to stick, and you don't really need to use RO or DI water, and you don't need the water coming from the brush. Normally I would set this up on a pump and get 150 psi going, but just to show you. And this is 75 cells, and we probably get it done in less than a half an hour. Anyways, a simple way, Alexander window cleaning way to do solar cells. Check it on our website, www.simple.com.